The only real prison is fear. And the only real freedom is freedom from fear. What's going on, beautiful bees? We're in a majestic garden. This is going to be beautiful in the summer, you guys. And I got out. I had to move. So if you've been wondering where I've been, it's wow, the time's gone by real fast, but I had to relocate. And this is the reason. So I had apartments, infill coming in around me, and I had to get out. I really value my peace of mind, quietness, and sunlight, as well as freedom, you guys know. And we can't be rising in that type of environment. And I want to be able to have a huge garden and start growing my own food. See all these garden beds behind me? That's what I want. So yeah, that's what I've been up to as I've been relocating, trying to get some land. I got some seeds and I want to start growing my own food and start gardening. Basically, this message is to protect your freedom, protect what you value. And for me, that's peace of mind, peace and quiet, sunlight. And when these buildings started coming up around me, that really, I wasn't in my environment that I needed to be. And in order for me to be creative and in order for me to share, I need to be in a proper environment to do so. So there's gonna be a lot more to come, but I basically needed to get everything, I need to get myself settled and in the right environment. So lots to come, lots to share. And I know there's lots going on in the world right now, and we must always protect our freedom and our freedom of speech and choice as well. And we have to do whatever is in our power to protect our freedoms, our health. And for me, this is where it starts, right in the roots, ground up. And we must also look at our own microbiome. So important to know what's going into our body. And you guys have been following me, you know that's what I talk a lot about here, but microbiome really starts here. The soil and the seeds. So if you can get some land, even just a little, start with a little square, start getting some seeds, start growing your own food. That is really important. I'm trying to become more self-reliant, less reliant on the system. It's difficult, but I think we can get there. So, and yeah, I want to start growing some grapes too. And pumpkins, tomatoes, squashes. So yeah, so we're moving and it's going to be great. It's time for a change, not a new beginning, a reset. Lots to talk about the Great Reset. Well, this is my reset. This is how I want to start building the new earth. And this is what I'm going to focus on. And this is what is going to grow. So that's a little update from me. Protect your freedoms, protect your health, know what is going in your body, and always stay free. And I miss you guys. More to come. So I just want to give you an update of what's been happening in my life. Let me know what you guys have been going through. And remember, always put love ahead of fear. always follow your heart and always let love guide you. When you do that, we'll all be rising. So right here we got some pear trees. A nice row of them. Just beautiful soil here. Amazing soil here. It's mulch. Check out this huge garden. It's gonna be amazing. It's beautiful. Right by the river too.